have hills. How about that? Look.
Yeah, my nose.
Down the ditch.
You think I can just pull up here?
Yeah.
Look, Jan, this is where you gotta go camping because they got bathrooms. There's probably showers in there.
I know. Well, today we are exploring Bogue Chitto State Park here in Louisiana. So I got my friend Jessie and her boyfriend, well, husband Ron, with me. So they just stopped there and go to the bathroom. Right behind me is a campground and the bathroom. Let's go explore today. Bathroom. Oh, there's a shower here. Nice campground. Clean. Bogue Chitto State Park is a 1,786-acre site in Franklinton, Louisiana. It includes small streams, cypress torpedo swamp, hardwood forest, and rolling landscape. And also there will be activities for everyone like horseback riding, camping, canoeing, tubing, disc golf, and so much more. For overnight accommodation that includes tents, RV camping, and of course cabin that overlooks the bluff. It would be nice to stay here on a weekend. Look, cabin 3. Man, you're right. It's like a few bedroom, huh? Probably at least 2. This is fancy.
And we could just come stay a couple nights out here.
Yeah.
You gotta love them, huh?
Look, that's a house.
And I'm not going down
Cabin
this road.
number 5. That's like a house. That's huge. That's bigger than my house.
What's TENTRR? Tent RR? Is this the tent?
I don't know. TENTRR. Yeah, what does that mean? That's pretty.
It's handicapped accessible and everything now, look. It's got roof parking. I mean, it fit a bunch of people, too.
That's bigger than my house. That's all I say. Look, they got,
trail.
look around. We gotta walk all the way down there. Honey, we got hills in Louisiana. There's a lot of hiking trails here, it looks like.
So they only have 4 cabins. I bet it's hard to get one.
I think they have more this way.
Look at this. 16 and they got 4.
Ooh, down there. I guess you couldn't really tell. Yeah. Is that a putt-putt golf? No. What is that? Oh, that's true. No. What is it?
Kids Trail.
Oh. That's cute. And definitely won't get lost there. Man, look at that sign. That's the biggest 15 mile per hour sign. Make sure you know what that freaking is. Can't miss that. That's a little
So take a picture of that sign.
convenience store. Oh,
Up
hang
an
on.
RV.
Hang on.
So we're gonna go look at that and then everything else.
Bike rental.
They have 3-wheel?
That's the store. No. Then I can't ride it.
You can do all these little,
Look.
instead of being in a big area.
This is a little privacy. Yeah. But does that have hookup? I don't.
I'll take a picture of those to show you.
Well, I have a video now. I guess I could take a picture. Let's see here. Yeah, they do have full hookup. No, look. This is, I guess here it's nicer because you're kind of secluded compared to the other one over there. It's like, look. There's also the Frick's Cave, which we did not see, so I couldn't really tell you what it looks like. But apparently it's boarded up, that you know, there's a boardwalk that you can walk so you can see it from afar, because they felt like the sandstone creation is too delicate to allow visitors to walk among them. So yeah, y'all may need to check that out when you get there. There's also a 14 mile of equestrian trail that you can ride. You can bring your horses or rent horses, all kinds of stuff. So like I said, canoeing, kayaking, there are 11 lakes that are stocked with variety of freshwater fish, a water playground, a lot of picnic pavilion, which where we're gonna have our picnic, and yeah, a lot of activities here. Unfortunately, the river area is closed due to flooding area today.
Can you take
Dirt bike? Oh, you gotta bring your own dirt bike.
group camp and meeting room? This must be the one that has 14. Jenny, you don't want to do a blog on this because we don't want nobody to know. Till we get our fill of it.
You don't think anybody knows? Some people know.
You know, keeping any secrets.
Look, volleyball.
Look at this. This is like a double or something.
I think that's a group camp. I think that's
That's a
probably the
group-
one that sleeps 14
Six,
or whatever. she said.
16 people. Look, a volleyball court. Wow. This is like, yeah.
See, straight ahead's the dirt bike.
Uh-huh. That's not very big for a dirt bike. You just have to keep going around, going around.
Competitive
Huh?
tracks.
Yeah.
That's
So,
hole number 9.
and what's the blue one? There's two different colors. What does that mean? I guess I gotta learn how to play the disc golf thing.
I know they have different tees and regular guys.
I guess they do have all this.
Volleyball net.
Yeah.
What's that say? Look behind you. What's that sign say?
Behind me, where?
You don't see it?
No. Something caution. You mean that one?
No, I don't
No.
know. I thought it was like so-and-so trail.
No, caution sign. I'm sure it's some kind of trail. It's telling you caution. This is the one of the disc golf area. See, you got that little. I guess that's the goal. Never played disc golf before. Let me know if y'all know how to play disc golf. Oh yeah. I don't know how to play disc golf, but worth a try.
Bottom lane campground. Can't get there. Over there.
Oh yeah, because of the flooding. Cortez coastline.
It's going to be a very dangerous one, too. Look at this. It's a cemetery.
Up. Let's see here. Yeah. That's the start of the disc golf thing. Hang on a minute. Yeah, well. You wonder who gets buried here. Cemetery in the middle of this park. Actually, the disc golf is built around it. If you look at that map I took, it's built around this. It goes around there and all around. Okay. That's the one that's closed. Well, it's a beautiful day, a very enjoyable day today at Bogue State Park. And just to let y'all know, admission is only $3, and then it's also free for senior citizen older than 62. And of course, I think children are also free to enter. So if you all like this video, please like, subscribe. Have you been to this park? And if you do, let me know what you think. Until next time, bye!